Hi everybody, this is Flower, and today we are reacting to Home Alone 2 Lost in New York Stable Gun Doorknob Scenes. Watch happens, this is funny. Watch, this is so funny. Watch! Watch! Watch, this is funny. Watch! Watch, this is happens. Watch! This is so funny. Watch happens. Watch! Watch happens. Watch. Watch happens. Watch happens. Watch! Watch happens. Watch! Watch happens. Watch. Watch. This is happens. Watch. Watch happens. Watch. Watch. That's really funny. Ew. That's gross. Yuck. Yuck. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe to our videos. Home Alone 2, Lost in New York, the directed video sequel to the original Home Alone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.